What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Now in today's video I'll be showing you how to bake up a delicious breakfast quiche. So guys, let's get started. So here are some of the ingredients I'll be using. Here I have some broccoli and some mushroom, and over here I have some spinach and some kale, and I have some sweet potato diced up. I have my eggs, and over here I have onion, green bell pepper and orange bell pepper. You could use any color of choice, and of course I have some seasoning. So in my cast iron skillet I'm gonna go in with some grapeseed oil, and I'm just gonna brown these sweet potato for a little bit. We want them to be nice and have some little crispy bits on it. We don't want to fully cook it, but we want to cook it halfway through. So we're just going to cook this until it's nice and golden brown, or have some little brown bits on it. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove my potatoes from my skillet, and I'm going to set this aside and move on to the next step. Now I'm going to saute my mushroom and my my broccoli. I'm just going to saute these for about 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want to cook them all the way through, but at the same time we don't want them to be raw. We want them to still have a little bit of bite. I'm just going to saute this for about a minute or two, and of course I'm going to season, because here I'm using an all-purpose blend. You could use any seasoning of choice. I'm just going to season every layer, so every bite it will be just as delicious. I'm going to go ahead and remove these from the skillet. I'm going to go in with a little bit more oil, and I'm going to saute my onions and my peppers. And as always, everything that I'll be using in this recipe will be listed down in the description box, so you could go ahead and check it out. Now I'm going to go in with my spinach and my kale. I'm going to add this in 2 sections and allow it to wilt down, because as it cooks it will wilt down, so we're going to allow it to wilt. Now in the meantime I'm going to season my eggs and give these a quick whisk. Now I'm going to go ahead and add back the rest of my veggies and potato to my skillet. Give it a good mix. I'm going to add my eggs, and then I'm going to stick this into the oven to finish cooking. and I'm going to top this off with some dairy-free cheese, but you could use whatever cheese you like. So I'm going to top it up, and I'm going to allow this to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes in my oven. After 25 minutes, this is exactly what my breakfast quiche is looking like. And I'm just going to sprinkle on some parsley flakes on top to garnish. And that's basically it. Breakfast is ready. Guys, if you've reached this far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription button. Turn on the post notification bell that says all, so you never miss any of my uploads. And if you do like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you try this recipe and you like it, you could tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen to let me see how yours turned out. Until then, my beautiful people, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.